Hello everyone, I am Bhupeshar. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are back with new video for class 11 with new chapter relations and function. So relations and function. So push up the function, we will study that functions in future videos. So we will concentrate on relations. So what is relation? So if you hear the word relation, what does it comes to your mind? So if relation means, you will remember the daily life relations, right? Like parents relation, parents daughter relation, parent son relation, so sister brother or brother brother, so friendship, student and teacher relation. These are all the relations of daily life, right? Similarly, we have relations in mathematics. Do we have relations in mathematics? Yes, we have relations in mathematics, like so m is less than n, m is perpendicular to n, m is parallel to n. So like that, these are all the relations of mathematics. So in last classes we have studied about sets, right? So if you have not watched the sets chapter videos, please do go back to that videos or watch that videos and come back, because sets chapter plays a very important role here. So please concentrate on the sets definitions and what are the types of set, intersection, union, that and all we need to study here also. Here in using relations and function defining that, we will use all those things. So please do concentrate on that and come back. If you have not watched it, the link is in the description box. Please go through it and come back. So now without wasting time, let us enter into the chapter relations and function. Relations and functions. So function, as I told earlier, I will study or we will study this in later videos. So we will study relations first, then later functions. So before going to relations also, we will define what is Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product? Then we will define what is relation. So what is this relation Cartesian product? Before going to all those things, I will go through example first. Let us have set A and set B. Let us have two sets that are set A and set B. In set A, I have two pens. I have two pens of two different colors. So one is red color and another one is violet color. So here in set A, I have two pens, that is red pen and another one is violet pen. So in set A, we have two color pens, right? Red pen and violet pen. So in set B, we have three color caps. So which are all the colors? So orange color, violet color and red color. So red cap, violet cap and orange cap. I have two sets, right? So set A and set B. So to pair them, I need to define ordered pair. What is ordered pair? So a pair of elements grouped together in a particular order. A pair of elements grouped together with particular order. Can you understand the definition? Can you understand the definition of ordered pair? What does the ordered pair definition really says? That pair of elements. What does pair means? So how many elements will be there? So two elements will be there in this pair. Okay, now pair of elements, that is two elements. Pair. Grouped, G-R-O-U-P-E-D, grouped. Pair of elements grouped together. So pair of elements, that means two elements grouped together with a particular order. So here I have pen and cap. I need to arrange the pen and cap. Okay, now that is the order. So I will arrange. So now you can observe here, I have taken in set A two color pens and set B three color caps. So now I will take one element of set A. I will take one element of set A. Then I will arrange the elements of set B with set A. So I will pair them. How I will pair? So red pen with red cap, first pair, red pen with violet cap is the second pair, and red pen with the orange cap is the third pair. So 3 pairs formed for set A first element. So I will choose set A second element. So now violet color pen with red cap, then violet color pen with violet color cap. So violet color pen with orange cap, violet color pen with orange cap. So these 6 pairs. So let us write over there, then you can understand easily. So first we have taken that red pen. So you need to be careful while writing order pair. So elements should be enclosed by small bracket. So this should be remembered, and the 2 elements, that is pair of elements, are separated by commas. So that you should remember. So first element, I am taking that first element. I need to pair with all of this. Okay now. So red pen with red cap, red pen with violet cap, similarly red pen with orange cap. So these are the order pair for first element used in set A with set B elements. Okay now. So now for second element, set A second element, that is violet pen with red cap, violet pen with violet cap, and violet pen with orange cap. So these 6 pairs we have, right? 6 pairs, 6 order pairs. So red pen with red cap, red pen with violet cap, red pen with orange cap. Similarly violet pen with red cap, violet pen with violet cap, and violet pen with orange cap. So these are the 6 pairs. So this collection of all the order pairs, collection of all the possible order pairs are called as Cartesian product. So collection of all the order pair elements, that are called as Cartesian product. For any two non-empty set, for any two non-empty set A and B. So here we have set A and B, right? These are non-empty set. For any two non-empty set A and B, we have 2 sets here, A and B. So they are non-empty, right? Okay. So that only we have written here. So any two non-empty set A and B, the Cartesian product A cross B. So this is the symbol to denote the Cartesian of 2 sets. So cross, you need to remember that. For any two non-empty set A and B, the Cartesian product A and A cross B is said to be collection of or the set of all order pairs. I will not use the word collection, so I will use this set of all ordered pair elements. So for any two non-empty set A and B, there should be, so A cross B, Cartesian product A cross B. So here this set is A cross B. So cross is the symbol used to denote the Cartesian product. So for any two non-empty set A and B, Cartesian product A cross B is defined as set of all ordered pair elements. This is called as an Cartesian product. Okay now. So generally, how can we write that? Generally, A cross B can be written as, A cross B is equal to, so we can write like this, A comma B for all A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So for A, first element should be in set A and B second element. So B second element should be in set B, right? So if you write like this, B cross A, if you write, it should be like that. So B comma A for all B belongs to B and A belongs to set A, right? So this is the general form. This is the general form. Let us take another one example. Set A is equal to, these are the elements. So I have Karnataka. K defines Karnataka, MA define Maharashtra, and KL define Kerala. Okay na? Now set B is equal to 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4. So arrange the orders. So this indicates the name of the states, and these are the codes given for the registrations of vehicles. So using this example, so using this set A and set B, define Cartesian product A cross B. Define A cross B now. So set of all collections of order pairs of the sets A and B, right? So do first is Karnataka. So Karnataka with 0 1, Karnataka with 0 2 code, Karnataka with 0 3, and Karnataka with 0 4. Then Maharashtra. Maharashtra with 0 1, Maharashtra with 0 2, Maharashtra with 0 3, Maharashtra with 0 4. Then at last Kerala. Kerala with 0 1, Kerala with 0 2, Kerala with 0 3, and at last Kerala with 0 4. So these are the collections of order pair. A cross B is the Cartesian product that there is a collections of number of states with different codes of vehicle registrations which are given as the different sets, right? So A cross B means collection of all the order pairs of set A and set B. So this is as follows. Here this is A belongs to A, this is the element B belongs to B, right? So it is the order pair. So we have arranged the name of the state with different code for the vehicle registration. So like this, some orders will be there. So they will be given orders. So you need to collect some order pairs. Then Cartesian product will be obtained. Define the Cartesian product definition, and we have defined the general form of the Cartesian product, and we have observed some examples of Cartesian product. We have some remarks to study. So we have 4 points here. 4 points says 4 different things. So what are the things they are saying? Let us understand. First, they are saying that 2 order pairs are equal. 2 order pairs are equal if 2 order pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first and second element. Here we have A comma B, and this only I will take as general only, I will explain simply. So you can observe here we have A comma B and B comma A. So we have 2 elements, that is A comma B and B comma A. I want to say that these 2 are equal. I want to say that if these 2 are equal, that is only. So 2 order pair, these are the 2 order pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first element. So first element. So that is A is equal to B, it should be there. Then B is equal to A should be there. So this one, A and B should be equal, B and A should be equal. That is what they are saying. So I want to say 1 comma 2 is equal. There should be another order pair that is also 1 comma 2 only. So you can't say 1 comma 2 is equal to 2 comma 1. How can you say that 1 is not equal to 2? So this cannot be. If you want to say that 1 comma 2 is equal to 1 comma 2 only should be there, because 1 and 1 should be equal, 2 and 2 should be equal. This is what the condition they are saying. So A and B should be equal, B and A should be equal. So A is equal to means B means, so that will be equal. So I will take like this. If you want to say that, so I will rub this. So 1 is enough. General form. I will say that A comma B and B comma C. So I want to say that these two ordered pairs are equal if and only if A should be equal to B and this B should be equal to C. These two should be equal, and similarly first element should be equal. Similarly corresponding second elements also should be equal. So that is what the first condition that they are saying. So I think you have understood this. So let us go through this. If there are P elements in set A, here we have Cartesian product, right? So if Cartesian product is there, means there should be two non-empty set, right? Set A and set B. Suppose in set A we have P elements. That is what they are saying, right? So if there are P elements in A, similarly in B Q elements. So in set A we have P elements. In set B we have Q elements. That is what they are saying. If there are P elements in A and Q elements in B, then there will be PQ elements. There will be PQ elements in A cross B. This is what they are saying. In A cross B there will be PQ elements. So I will say this as general. Number of elements in A is equal to P. Then number of elements in B is equal to Q. Number of elements in A is equal to P, number of elements in B is equal to Q, then number of elements in A cross B is equal to PQ. This is PQ elements, right? This is what they are saying. Number of elements in A is equal to P, number of elements in B is equal to Q, then number of elements in A cross B will be equal to PQ. That is what the second point. Now third point, what does third point says? So what does the third point says? If A and B are non-empty, A and B should be non-empty. If you want to get order pair, it should be non-empty. So that is what the condition says. So A and B are non-empty sets. Either A or B, any element, any set A or B, any one of them should be infinite. So 1, 2, 3, so on. So I will take A as infinite. I will take this as 4, 5. Now write the order pair A cross B Cartesian product. Let us write the order pair of set A and set B collections 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. It continues, right? That is what they are saying. If A and B are non-empty sets, either A or B is infinite, then A cross B also be infinite. So that is what they are saying. I have taken set A as infinite, set B as finite. Any one should be infinite. Okay, na? Any one should be infinite. Then A cross B will also be infinite. That is what the condition says. Third remark says. So at last, fourth remark says that A cross A. Here we have A cross B, right? Here we have Cartesian product for 2 sets. If I have Cartesian product for 3 sets, so I am taking A. I have only set A, so I will Cartesian for that as 3 times. So A cross A, that is A comma B comma C, where A comma B comma C should be belongs to A only. If 2 elements are there, we can call them pair. If 3 elements are there, we can call them as pair? No, they are called as triplet. So this pair is called as ordered pair. So this triplet is called as an ordered triplet. That is what they are saying. So A cross A is equal to A comma B comma C. This is called ordered triplet. That is the fourth remark. This is ordered pair, this is ordered triplet. So it continues like that. This is all about Cartesian product and some remarks, 4 remarks. Now we will go through some example. Here you can observe one problem is there. They have given 3 sets. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, elements 1, 2, 3. set B is equal to element 3 comma 4, set C is equal to element 4 comma 5 comma 6. We need to find A cross B intersection C. Second is A cross B intersection A cross C. Third one is A cross B union C, and the last one we need to find is A cross B union A cross C. So let us go through finding one and one. First one. So first we need to find this, right? A cross B intersection C. So we have elements of B, C and A also we have. So we need to find first, I will go through B intersection C. What is B intersection C? So what is the meaning? So for this only I have said that please go through sets chapter. So using that we will define some relations, that and all we will use here, right? So please go, if you have not watched also, now also I am saying that please go through that videos and come back. What is B intersection C? The elements which are present in both the set, B and C. Which are those elements? Are common elements in B and C. Which are the common elements? We have only 4, right? 4. So this is the only element which is common in B and C. Okay. So now we need to find A cross B intersection C. So first one we have find B intersection C is equal to 4. So now A cross B intersection C. A cross B intersection C. We have already B intersection C. Now what are the elements of? So I will write the elements of A cross elements of B intersection C. Now we need to collect the order pairs. Let us go through 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4. This is what the A cross B intersection C says. So this is. Now second one. We have A cross B and A cross C. We need to find first is A cross C. Sorry, A cross B. Then we need to find A cross C. So first we will write the elements of A and B. What are the elements of B? 3 comma 4. So A cross B is equal to, we have 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, then 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4. These are the elements of A cross B. Similarly we have A cross C. What are the elements of A cross C? So 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, then 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, at last 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, right? So these are the elements of A cross B and A cross C. Now we need to union them. A cross B union A cross C, right? This is what we need to find, right? So intersection A cross B intersection A cross C. So which are all the common elements in both these two sets? So here 1 comma 4 is there, here 1 comma 4 is there, yes. So then 1 comma 5 is there, do we have? No. 1 comma 6, do we have? No. 1 comma 6 so not there, 1 comma 5 is not there. 2 comma 4 is there, yes, 2 comma 4 is there. Now 2 comma 5 is there, no. 2 comma 6 is there, no. 3 comma 4 is there, yes, we have 3 comma 4. 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6 we don't have. So what are the elements of A cross B intersection A cross C is 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 4. So these are the elements of A cross B intersection A cross C. Question. What does third question says that A cross B union C. First we need to find B union C. So what are the elements of B union C? So third one. What are the elements of B union C? So elements of B 3 comma 4. 4 is repeated, so I will write one time. 5 comma 6 are the elements of C. Right. So next we need to cross it with A. So A cross B union C. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3. And what are the elements of C? Sorry, B union C. 3, 4, 5, 6. So now cross them. So how to do that? First take this element 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and at last 1, 6. Now take 2. So 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then at last we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. These are the elements of A cross B union C. I think you have understood about the third one. Next we need to go for the last one. A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C. Already we have found out the element of A cross C and A cross B, right? So what are those elements? We will write again. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. At last we have 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6. Right. So here we have A cross B, right? 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. So union this. A cross B union A cross C. Do it. So first element is 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So this is for last fourth one. Solution for all the 4 things we have done. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. We will clear the doubt as soon as possible. 1, 2. We have P is equal to 1, 2. We need to find P cross P cross P. So to simplify this, I will do like this. First I will do P cross P. So 1, so I will do like this. P cross P means 1, 2 cross 1, 2. Right? So that is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Now P cross P cross P, right? So that is this into this. Now 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Right. Thank you all for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel if you are watching our channel first time. If you like video, please give a like. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. We will clarify your doubt as soon as possible. And please share video with your friends and classmates so that make us to make more videos. Thank you.